Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the current server collation so you know the target. Run Select Server Property Collation, then document logins, jobs, linked servers, and maintenance plans. Once done, backup master, MSDB, model, and every user database. Do not skip this. Make sure you have the SQL Server media and administrative credentials, and verify you have downtime scheduled. You will need to stop SQL services briefly, so alert stakeholders. Keep a rollback plan ready. You stop SQL services and run the SQL Server Setup rebuild process to change the server collation. Use the /action equals rebuild database or the supported setup switch that specifies collation. Then start SQL in single user mode and use SQL CMD to recreate logins, server-level objects, and restore the system databases from your backups if needed. Once master is rebuilt with the new collation, recreate tempdb so it inherits the change, and you finalize by altering each user database where necessary. Alter database DB name collate new collation, and rebuild affected columns, indexes, and statistics so comparisons work correctly. Recreate or fix orphaned users, reapply jobs, and run application tests. If something goes wrong, like collation conflict errors, use the collate clause in queries to resolve mismatches, recheck object-level collations, and restore a backup if necessary. If service startup fails, review error logs and ensure the rebuild steps completed without permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.